In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday strategic planning and goal setting. Whether you're managing a team or overseeing company-wide objectives, Monday.com can be an invaluable tool for organizing your strategic goals. Let's dive in and explore how you can take advantage of its features. First, log into your Monday.com account. When you're in, look for the plus add button, then select New Board. You'll want to name this board something descriptive, such as Strategic Plan 2025 or Company Goals and Objectives, to ensure everyone knows its purpose at a glance. Choose to start from scratch or explore templates like goal tracking or OKR planning to get a head start. Templates can help set a strong foundation, especially when dealing with comprehensive plans. Next, let's set up key columns for your strategic goals. Think about what you need to track: objectives, timelines, progress, and ownership. Start by defining your objectives and key results, or OKR. Create a main item for each objective, such as improve customer satisfaction, and then create sub-items for the key results, like achieve 90% positive feedback or reduce response time by 30%. Assign owners and due dates to each key result. This structure ensures your OKRs are organized and measurable, making it easier to track progress over time. If your goals span multiple teams, align them by using the Connect Boards column to link strategic goals with each team's project board, such as the marketing plan or product roadmap. Follow this by adding a mirror column to display progress or KPIs from those linked boards. This not only ensures visibility across the organization, but also keeps everyone informed in real time. Now, it's time to track your progress with dashboards. Create a new dashboard and populate it with widgets that'll offer insights at a glance. Consider using the battery widget for visualizing overall completion, the timeline widget for milestone tracking, and the chart widget to illustrate departmental progress. These dashboards provide executives a top-level snapshot of strategic performance to enhance efficiency, automate goal tracking, and notifications. Set up automations to save time and ensure accountability. You might set one to notify a manager when a status changes to completed, or remind the goal owner if a due date arrives and the status is still not started. Automations can be customized or chosen from goal tracking templates. Conduct regular progress reviews by scheduling weekly or monthly check-ins. Use Monday.com's Work Docs or Updates feature for documentation and choose from views like Gantt or Kanban for different aspects of reviews. Don't forget to set recurring automations to remind team members to update statuses before review meetings. Finally, measure and evaluate results at the end of each quarter or project cycle. Compare actual KPIs against targets using the formula column and review success rates by filtering completed goals. Document learnings in a lessons learned column to guide future strategy sessions. And remember, planning ahead is key. Duplicate the board for the next period,